Hey, are you losing motivation when preparing for your PTE exam? You started off all motivated and now it feels a bit overwhelming, like you are not sure how to keep going, right? So I get it. That's why we have PTE in Minutes series with PTE Magic 30-day challenge to help you hit 65 plus in speaking and reading. I will walk you through some simple steps to help you refocus, manage your time, and stay consistent even when your life is super busy. So yeah, are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, let's jump into the first step, which is resetting your focus and energy. So if you're feeling burnt out, the best thing you can do is to pause. So for me, I would take a 15-minute break and I would go for a walk, stretch a little bit, or listen to music with some nature sounds. It's a simple way to clear your mind and recharge your energy. Next, reset your goals. So instead of studying for 2 hours straight, you can actually break it down into smaller chunks. For example, try 4 30-minute sessions with small breaks in between. My favorite method which you can use is called Pomodoro technique. It's quite simple but super effective. You set a timer for 25 minutes and only focus on one task. It could be a retail lecture, or maybe read aloud or fill in the blanks, right? When the timer goes off, you take a 5 minutes break. You can stretch or maybe grab a drink or just relax. And then after 4 Pomodoro sessions, you can take a longer break like 15 to 30 minutes. This method is actually very popular. It keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. It's also perfect for the busy people or the ones with ADHD symptoms. Now that you've learned how to recharge your energy, let's talk about how you can stay consistent. Because finding time to study is not always that easy. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you make it work. First, let's talk about time management. The key here is to create a realistic schedule that fits your life and aligns with your target score. So here's an example. By setting aside just 1 hour a day, you can easily cover all the important parts of the exam without feeling too stressed. Many students start off full of energy, but then work, family, and everything else take over, and then studying feels like a bit too much. But just remember that motivation comes from taking small, simple steps every day. Instead of aiming for big, overwhelming goals, try to break them down. For example, this week I will focus on mastering vocabularies on 3 topics: astronomy, environment, and technology, right? Or I could focus on improving my note-taking skills in retail lecture or summarized spoken text. These small goals are easier to achieve and give you a sense of progress. Did you speak fluently in the described image task? That's a win. Or did you improve your accuracy in the write from dictation task? That's another win. So every improvement matters. Celebrate it, reward yourself with a coffee, or just take a moment to feel proud of yourself. Keep a journal or use an app to track your daily and weekly progress. For example, if you started with 50% accuracy in repeat sentence task and now you are at 70%, that's a huge improvement. So to wrap up, remember these key points. Number 1, reset your energy when you feel burnout by taking short breaks. Number 2, master time management by creating a study plan or using a Pomodoro technique. Number 3, set realistic goals and celebrate every win. And number 4, stay motivated by tracking your progress. I just want to say thank you so much for following and supporting our series PTE in Minutes with PTE Magic 30-day challenge. I know that many of you can't afford to join online coaching, and that's why I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. If you need any assistance, please also reach out to us via email or Facebook. In the next video, I will be talking about building confidence when doing PTE describe image questions. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, don't be shy, please comment below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye!